Hi guys, I'm back with the video. I will be a tutorial. So yeah, I'll be doing a slime video with 3 of them because one of them just sucks. You see it. This is not slime. Yep. So get on with. So I have this purple one. Purple guy. You see, it is purple. Yeah. It is purple. As you guys see, this is not sticky. See, I can squeeze it in my hands all day. Yeah, guys, show me the cute ones. Yeah. This is not sticky. Stretchy. See? Wait. Just a second, guys. Stretchy. Poke. Look. Poke, guys. Pokey. Yeah, guys, so that one was also awesome. So that inside. So yeah, let me get my other one. Okay, I'm back and I got it. My hands are clean off purple. Yes, let's get it into the video. Okay, guys, I'm back and I got 2 slimes out and just one of them. So yeah, here's a blue one. It's really doesn't take its time. Yeah. So you see, it is ticky. So it takes on. Pokey. See, it's a pokey, guys. Listen. And it's also stretchy. No, I got this orange one. So yeah, this one's like sticky. This one's like another texture from all the other ones. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna clean my hands up, guys. Yeah, because I'm back and I got my hands cleaned off. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the ones that I like. There's like 2 of them. I'm feeling 22. Yeah. This blue one. And then, oh, look at my dog. My dog's here. Say hi, Pebbles. Yay. She got it. So I also got the purple one. This is my second favorite. Yeah, guys, do my favorites. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and also leave comments down below. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!